Stop using useless indicators. They repaint, they lag, they lie. Most of them are designed to make you lose. But this is different. This is a powerful two-indicator strategy that provides stunningly accurate signals. I've backtested it. The results are impressive. Stay here and I will give you the exact indicators, the secret settings, and the simple rules to trade it. First, a quick and important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading contains significant risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Always do your own research. Okay, let's begin. Open your TradingView chart. Go to Indicators. Search for Bollinger Momentum Deviation and choose the one. Now, for the settings. This part is critical. Pause the video and copy these exact settings onto your chart. Next, go to the Style tab. We need to hide the noise. Uncheck everything except the main plot line, the clouds, and the oscillator. The rule here is simple. Blue means buy pressure. Red means sell pressure. That's it. But that's only part one. The first indicator is good, but we need confirmation to avoid false signals. Let's add our filter. Go back to Indicators and search for Average True Range. Add this one to your chart. Again, we need to adjust the settings. Pause the video and copy these numbers exactly. This indicator will give us our final entry trigger. It filters out the bad trades and gives us the green light. Now we combine them. The rules are incredibly simple. Let's watch this strategy in action. Here on the Bitcoin chart. Look here. First, our Bollinger indicator flips completely red. The cloud, the line, and the oscillator. Condition 1 is met. A few moments later, boom. The ATR indicator prints a short signal. That's our confirmation. Condition 2 is met. We enter a sell trade right here. The stop loss goes just above the recent high. We will target a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. Now, let's see what happens. And there it is, a perfect, stress-free trade straight to our target. This is the power of confirmation. And there you have it, a clean, simple, and powerful trading strategy with no noise and no nonsense. Backtest it for yourself. See how it performs on your favorite asset and time frame. What pair will you test this on first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this strategy helpful, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.